Welcome to another episode of Gotax Bites. If you haven't done so already, please like us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can see the star in person and get all our tax tips. So Dee, what are we talking about today?
Achoo! Let's talk about some new deductions for Covid-19. Achoo! Anyway, the ATO has finally decided to include rat test kits as a tax deduction for individuals. So if you have spent your hard-earned cash on these nasty little brain ticklers so you can keep working, then you can claim them in your tax return, as long as you've kept your receipts.
Seriously, Dee? Okay, I give up. What's a bloody brain tickler?
You know, stick it up your nose so far that it touches your brain.
Oh my God. That's seriously one of the dumbest things I've ever heard. But Dee, what about the awesome bosses and all the awesome businesses that have done the right things and provided rat tests to their employees?
Ad break. Gotax Online is the #1 easy online tax return service in Australia. Complete your tax return in minutes at an affordable price. One of our tax experts will then review and lodge your tax return on the same day. Scan the QR code or go to www.gotax.com.au and select your occupation to start. Now, back to the show.
Businesses will benefit too. They will be exempt from paying the fringe benefit tax on the total amount spent on these related work purchases. Providing receipts will also be mandatory.
Well, that's brilliant. Anything else to add there, Dee? Surely the ATO have some restrictions on claiming these brain ticklers.
Of course, like most things relating to tax, it isn't entirely straightforward. For instance, while you can claim a rat test done on yourself, you cannot claim the ones that you give to your household members, like the kids.
Well, that sounds a little bit complicated, Dee. People should go to a great accountant to make sure they get it right, like Gotax. Anyway, that doesn't affect me. What about the tests I have already bought?
If you didn't keep the receipts for rats bought prior to this new deduction, that's okay. As long as you have some form of record like a diary entry, the ATO will accept it.
They are sounding a little bit lenient, but that's good. A lot of people bought a lot of rats. So I guess I'll be getting all my rats in a row. Dee? No, that's okay. Thank you for joining us for another exciting episode of Gotax Bites. Until next time.
Gotta go tax. Gotta go tax. Gotta go tax. Gotta go tax. Yeah. Gotta go tax. Go tax. Gotta go tax.
That's a wrap.
Gotcha.